So we will add the contact us form functionality and upload it live on server. So you need to open the folder in your code editor. I will use Visual Studio Code editor. You can use any editor or just open your index.html file in Notepad++. And make it also required. For the next one, this is the message text area field. So give it a name is equal to message and make it also required. So almost done now. We give a name for our, and make sure that your submit button is type is equal to submit, otherwise it will not submit our form. Make sure that. So now we give a name for our form. For example, name is equal to contact form. This is the name of our contact form. So when we submit, it will give a name of form of contact form. Now you need to write method is equal to post, and we will upload our landing page on Netlify, and we will submit our form through Netlify platform. So you need to write data-netlify is equal to true. Now that's it. Now save this file, Ctrl+S, and make sure that you write it correctly. Name contact form, method post, data.netlify is equal to true. Ctrl+S and close your editor. Now we will upload it live on server. Just drag this folder and release it here. Okay, how simple is that? So drag this folder and release it here. Drop your site folder here. So our website is uploading. It will deploy your site and set up a custom domain for your site, and this is secure. So our website is uploaded. Here we go, our landing page is live now. and our connection is also secure. So what we do now, click on site setting and we will change our site name. So my site name is AQ Courses. You will choose your own, save that. Now our site name is changed, aqcourses.netlify.app. So this is the domain of our website. AQ Courses, our website is live on server. Now test it out, our contact us form. Now when we submit our form, it will store our data in our hosting account. Let's fill the form. So book an appointment, click on submit and it will redirect to the thank you page. Your form has been received. So now go to our hosting account. Our form is submitted and now we check that. This is our hosting account. Click on form option. This is our form name, contact form that we write in the code. Here is the data. Our data is showing our hosting account name is Nadeem, email. You can delete that, download as CSV. Your all code will be saved. Your name, email, stuff like that. So we upload our website live on server and our contact us form is now fully functional. And now we want to add the email notification functionality also. So someone submit the form, we got an email notification. Click on form notification option, choose the form and then click on add notification. We will add the notification also. Choose on email notification option, click on that. New form submission, yeah, we want new form submission. Write your email address where you receive the notification. Choose your form. Our form is contact form. Yes, save that and done. How simple is that? So now when we submit our form, we will receive an email. So let's test it out. Okay, let's test. Fill out the form. Name Azim is also my brother. Thank you page. We will also receive an email that when someone submit the form, here we go. We will also receive the email. It's all the data, name, Azim, email, stuff like that. So that's it for this video. We will upload it live on server. Also we learned how to submit the contact us form without PHP, so you can apply this method in any of your forms. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video and this video is beneficial for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.